अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन वस्सलातु वस्सलामु अला सय्यिदिल मुरसलीन व अला आलिहि व सहबिहि अजमईन, अम्मा बाद। फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम, बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। इक़रा बिस्मि रब्बिकल लज़ी खलक़, खलक़ल इंसाना मिन अलक़, इक़रा व रब्बुकल अकरम, अल्लज़ी अल्लमा बिल कलम, अल्लमल इंसाना मा लम यअलम। सूरह अलक़, आयत नंबर 96। Honorable principals, respected teachers, and my dear brothers and sisters, good night to all of you. Today I want to speak on my topic, Islam and education. Nowadays, education is considered to be a gift of this modern age, but in fact it is only Islam which laid down the foundation of education and took it to an haggies. It is an established truth that Islam has not only attached much emphasis on education, rather it is the messenger of knowledge and the leader of an educational revolution, other civilization. Put education in the category of necessities. Put education in the category of necessities, but life is regarded it the most necessity of each human being. Dear audience, unlike other religions and civilization, Islam permits education as basis right of every individual in the society. The Greece and China have made extraordinary progress in the field of education and art, but they also did not favor the education for all. Plato has also dreamed of democracy and equality, but he also could not go beyond education for some particular segments of the society in India, which once was the center of education and art, but they also did not favor the education for all. Plato has also dreamed of democracy and equality. Person was not even allowed to hear the scriptures. None can deny the glory of Nalanda and Taxila University. But after all, the fact is that the common people were always deprived of education. In Hindu precepts, education was only the monopoly of higher classes of the society. When the sun of Islam was enlightening the world, Europe was passing through the acts of history. The scientists, artists, and men of learning were tutored, and sometimes even the writers. Today, similarly, ignorance was prevailing all over Arabia. There was neither a school nor a college and a library. Quraysh, the head of all tribes in Arabia, had only 70 persons who knew writing in 570 AD when the son of Islam rose from the horizon of Arabian Peninsula in its fullest blaze. The interworld was surrounded by darkness and steeped in ignorance, and the long slumber contained in this horrible atmosphere was about education. The year last of the Quran invited people to education. इक़रा बिस्मि रब्बिकल लज़ी खलक़, खलक़ल इंसाना मिन अलक़, इक़रा व रब्बुकल अकरम, अल्लज़ी अल्लमा बिल कलम, अल्लमल इंसाना मा लम यअलम. Read with the name of your Lord who created everything. He created man from a cloud of blue. Read, and your Lord is the most gracious, who imparted knowledge by means of the Quran. He what he did not knew. But after all the fact, the Quran has laid much importance to education, that is why it regarded education as the main purpose of the advent of Prophet Allah, bless him and give him peace in this old day, as the Holy Quran said. هو الذي بعث في الأمين رسولا منهم يتلو عليهم آياته ويعزهم ويعلمهم الكتاب والحكمة وإن كانوا من قبل لفي ضلال مبين. He is the one who ride amid the state, the only dead people a messenger form among themselves, who recites to them his verses and purify them and teach them the book and the wisdom will they were earlier in open error. Surah Al-Jumu'ah, ayat number 62. This is the reason that the Prophet, Allah believes him and give him peace. Himself said, I was sent down as a teacher. Only upon a Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, at last I want request our Muslims follow the Quran and the Sunnah and about the manner of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in your own life. Assalamu alaikum.